Yes.
Did you understand the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of aggravated sexual assault of a child? That's a first-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 5 to 99 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Welcome to the bench of justice.
Versus Marcos Patino Cabrera. Can I have parties approach and announce for the record, please, for the state,
Michael Villariape State.
for the defense?
Cole Medals for the defendant.
And we have an interpreter here. If the interpreter, if you could raise your right hand for me, please. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give with, testimony. Do you solemnly swear or affirm you will faithfully translate from English into Spanish and Spanish into English, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand if you'll state your name for the record.
Norma Nero.
All right, are you Mr. Cabrera?
Yes.
All right, Mr. Cabrera, all of the documents I'm going to review with you are in English. Were those documents reviewed with you in Spanish?
Yes.
And defense, do either of you speak Spanish?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
All right. And did you state your name on the record?
No, Judge, my name is Ivan Barrera.
All right. And were you able to communicate with Mr. Cabrera in Spanish?
I was, Your Honor.
All right, counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Are there any applications in this case?
No, Judge.
No, Your Honor. The only, I guess, agreement that we have as far as the sentencing, he is going to take prison time on it, but we are asking that the court allow him 2 weeks. He is a small business owner. He just needs to basically close down shop, clean out his accounts and provide them to his wife before he goes in.
All right, Mr. Cabrera, did you review the document entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorneys? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
Off the record, Ms. Ferguson, what date will we come back on 2 weeks for this sentencing?
That'll be fine, Your Honor.
All right, we're back on the record. State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor. State's proceeding on count 1 and the lesser included of count 1, which is aggravated sexual assault of a child.
Any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
Mr. Cabrera, did you review a document with your attorney entitled Court's Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions? With your attorney, did you understand it and did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Did you understand the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of aggravated sexual assault of a child? That's a first-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 5 to 99 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea bargain agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent? Yes. Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe he was, Your Honor.
Mr. Cabrera, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea bargain agreement?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain agreement with your attorneys?
Yes.
According to the plea bargaining agreement, state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of aggravated sexual assault of a child. Punishments be assessed at 14 years in the prison. There's a $1,500 fine. You're not eligible for community supervision. There's to be no contact with the complainants. You're to appear for sentencing on October 13th. If you do not appear for sentencing on October 13th at 9 a.m., you'll be subject to the full range of punishment. You will waive your right to withdraw your plea, and you will waive your right to an appeal. Did you understand if you don't show for your sentencing on October 13th, 2022 at 9 a.m., the court could sentence you up to life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine? Did you understand?
Yes.
All right, if I could have both parties initial the time on the form, please, date and time.
Yes, Judge.
If you could have your client initial as well.
Yes, Your Honor. October 13th. Thank you.
And there is to be a chapter 62 registration. Did you understand that to be the plea bargain agreement?
Yes.
Defense, is that the plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the paragraph entitled waiver of appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it in both places?
All right.
Did you sign it?
Yes.
Did you understand it?
Yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the lesser included offense of aggravated sexual assault of a child, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor. At this time, State Upper States Exhibit Number 1 and its attachments.
No objection, Your Honor.
Mr. Cabrera, did you review the document entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulation with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial? A right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will find you guilty. You will be sentenced on October 13th, 2022 at 9 a.m. Is there anything else from either side?
No, Judge, I believe he's already on GPS. That was the only concern. So there's nothing further from the state.
I believe he is also on GPS, Your Honor. So we have no other issues at the court today.
All right, just get a reset form from Ms. Ferguson and we'll be back.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
Inside a Texas courtroom, The case of Marcos Patino Cabrera unfolds with quiet intensity, but the consequences are anything but small. From the very start, the judge ensures that every step is understood. A sworn interpreter stands by, translating every word from English to Spanish and back again, making sure Cabrera fully grasps what's at stake. The court confirms that Cabrera reviewed all documents in Spanish with his attorney and understands the charges against him. This is not a minor case. He is facing a lesser included offense of aggravated sexual assault of a child, a first-degree felony. The judge makes it clear the punishment range is severe, from 5 years all the way up to life in prison. Despite the gravity, Cabrera chooses not to go to trial. He waives his rights, the right to a jury, the right to confront witnesses, and the right to remain silent. Instead, he accepts a plea bargain. The agreement is firm: 14 years in prison, a $1,500 fine, mandatory registration as a sex offender, and absolutely no contact with the victim. But before sentencing, Cabrera makes a request. As a small business owner, he asks for 2 weeks to shut everything down and prepare his family. The court agrees, but with a strict and unmistakable warning. If Cabrera fails to return for sentencing on the scheduled date, the deal is gone. He could face the full punishment, up to life in prison, and lose his right to appeal. No witnesses testify. Only written evidence is submitted. After reviewing everything, the judge reaches a decision: guilty. Now, Cabrera walks out of the courtroom with one final chance and no room for error.